Hello, I'm Nicholas Bowman-Scargill, the 4th Managing Director of Fears Watches in Bristol. I'm here today in Mayfair with our partners, the limited edition. I've been good friends with Pietro for many years, and so it's wonderful to be here in London to introduce my family watch company's timepieces to his passionate collectors. It's also wonderful to be here with Atelier, a brand I'm a big fan of, and with the founder himself.
Nicholas, what does Fears stand for?
So Fears stands for a very classic British elegance. Elegance is one of the words we always talk about, but it's very much the core of what we create, that understated British style. High quality, lots of details, but never showy, never flashy, just pure, elegantly understated. Well, this evening has been absolutely wonderful. I really enjoy being able to introduce my family's watches to such passionate collectors and enthusiasts. Big thank you to our partner, the limited edition, and also to everyone who came here tonight.